In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Amazon Prime on Discord. If you want to watch Amazon Prime Video together with your friends over Discord, this tutorial will show you how to set everything up step by step. We'll also go over a few important settings that can help prevent common streaming problems, such as a black screen or Discord failing to capture your video correctly. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to share your screen and enjoy your favorite movies or TV shows with your friends. To get started, open Amazon Prime Video in your preferred web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in before you begin, so the movie or show you want to watch is ready to play. This makes the streaming process much smoother and saves time once you're connected to your friends. Next, open Discord on your computer and sign in to your account. The desktop version is recommended because it offers the best experience for screen sharing. Once Discord is open, join a voice channel in one of your servers, or start a direct message call or group call if you're only watching with a few friends. You need to be connected to a voice session before you can begin sharing your screen. Before starting the stream, it's a good idea to disable hardware acceleration in both your web browser and Discord. In your browser, open the Settings menu, locate the System section, turn off hardware acceleration if it's enabled, and then restart the browser. After that, open Discord's user settings, navigate to the System section, disable hardware acceleration, and restart Discord as well. These changes often resolve black screen issues and improve screen sharing performance. Once both applications have restarted, return to your voice call in Discord and click the Screen Share button. Discord will display a list of available windows and applications. Select the browser window that has Amazon Prime Video open. Be sure to choose the correct window so your friends can see the video instead of another application. Next, choose the streaming quality that works best for your internet connection. If you have a fast and stable connection, you can select a higher resolution and frame rate for smoother playback. If your connection is slower, choosing lower settings can help keep the stream stable and reduce buffering. Finally, click Go Live or Share Screen to begin streaming. Return to your Amazon Prime Video window and start playing the movie or TV show you want to watch. Your friends should now be able to see your stream while everyone stays connected in the voice channel. If you encounter a black screen or another display issue, double-check that hardware acceleration is disabled in both your browser and Discord, and confirm that you've selected the correct browser window for sharing. That's all there is to it. You now know how to stream Amazon Prime on Discord, so you can enjoy watch parties with your friends directly from your voice channel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,